We're here today to celebrate the opening of the 4th LA laundry truck.
Partners like Laundry Truck LA and Anthem are really respectful of the dignity and humanity that exists in our POC community, and bringing services like this to our schools really is taking care of a need that we have in our day-to-day lives.
In the morning, our truck rolls up to become the same day every single week, so the families know that we're coming. So the families then bring their laundry in the morning and they line it all up. Our staff washes, dries, and folds the clothes, put it in laundry bags, and then we hand it back to the families at the end of the day.
Madison is the hub of its neighborhood. This particular partner, the Laundry Truck LA, is really plugging into a fundamental need once a week, coming in, providing valuable laundry services.
She, has clean clothes to come to school every day and feels good about it. And it's just, it's wonderful.
It's very important for our children to come to school with confidence. Thank you to the Laundry Truck LA and Blue Cross for making this possible today.
Thank you, Laundry Truck LA.